you cannot see nothing going up the hill like that. You know what I mean?
No, it was on my street where the sidewalk is. Yeah, on purposely.
Oh, really?
Yeah, on purposely they did that. Yeah.
Oh my God. Yeah. And even though that street doesn't look too busy, anyways. But they got it. Oh my God.
Go ahead, baby. Go, 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 go. You can go.
Yeah, that's scary. Yeah, that's scary.
Yeah.
Oh my Lord. Oh my Jesus.
You excited, Oreo? Hi.
Orio's happy.
Oreo's happy.
Yeah.
Camper.
Your coat is pretty. I like your coat.
Thank you. My friend gave it to me.
Yeah, it's pretty. Yeah. Yeah. I got the same one. Yeah. Oh Lord. That's nice. That's nice, right?
Yeah.
Your lady's already there, or you gonna have to wait for her?
I'm gonna have to wait for a few minutes.
Oh really? Yeah. I hear you. Are you gonna wait inside, or you want me to just drop you off?
I'm gonna wait inside.
Oh, are you? Okay.
Yeah.
She says she says you told her you're gonna be inside there.
No, I'm gonna text her now.
Oh, you want to text her? Oh, yeah.
You can park for a minute, baby.
Oh, okay. I'll park for a minute. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. I'll park for a minute. Yeah.
Yep.
McDonald's, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, look,
Yeah.
he's licking his chops.
Yeah, he's so cute.
You can put it in park, babe.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
Are you the cute baby Oreo? Are you the cute baby Oreo? Hey, look at you. You're so beautiful. Yeah. He loves us. He loves you. He loves you. He loves everybody. Everybody.
I know,
everybody.
I know.
Yeah.
Do you have $4, babe, please? I need something to eat.
Brooke.
Huh?
Brooke. Yeah. So the lady's coming over then?
Yeah. She's coming.
Yeah. Okay.
Let me text her real quick and let her know I'm here, alright?
Okay.
Oh, it's only 12:57.
Oh, 12:57. Yeah.
12:57.
What time you supposed to be there? 1?
1:30, somewhere around there.
Ah. Yeah. Mm. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, I am here at McDonald's right now. Just wanted to let you know.
Yeah. Oh, that's her message. That's her message. Voicemail message. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah. Oh God. My Oreo, my baby boy, Oreo. Where are we, Oreo? Are we at McDonald's? Yeah? Yeah. All right. Yes.
Alright, baby. I'm getting in here, alright?
No, okay. Already?
Yeah, it's already 12:59. It's almost 1 o'clock. It's a minute to 1 o'clock. So.
Okay. All right. I love you. Okay. I love
Call
you.
you when I need a ride home, alright?
Okay. Call me.
Alright, love ya.
Okay. I love you. So I brought my friend to McDonald's for a minute. Come on, Oreo. And Oreo went all the way to the sidewalk to go pee, but he's not supposed to go pee because there's a lot of cars over here. Right, Oreo? So I gotta put the leash on him. And now I'm gonna go for a little walk. I'm gonna go for a little walk with Oreo because call me when you're ready, okay? Okay. Okay. All right. Now, and so I came to drop my friend, my friend to an appointment that she has, and because I started making a video, I didn't have enough footage to post it, so I decided to come and walk around a little bit over here. Don't forget to subscribe, enjoy, share, and give it likes. If you like my videos, click on the bell for notifications. I'm with Oreo. Oreo come with me. Oreo is with me everywhere, all over. So if you see him, it's because he's always with me. Sometimes we go for a walk. Sometimes we just go to drive around and stuff like that. But we go everywhere. So I decided to make a little more of this video by showing you. This is the McDonald's area. Look at this. This used to be full of trains. This used to be the train station. This over here used to be a lot of trains, but they got rid of them because they were giving a bad view to the city, and then they made they made that building over there. They made that building back there, and all of this used to be the train station. All of that. Look at all of this up to where those cars are going. That's that building over there, the square one, used to be the Stegmeyer building for the beer factory, which went from this building up to that building over there, the one on top, the one over there, and then this building right here, this building right here used to be the station, where back in the early 1900s. Now it has become like a museum or learning center or something like that. For a while, it used to be around here. Used to be they used to have nightclubs and businesses and stuff like that. There used to be a diner also over here. I was able to. I remember back in 1980, I don't know. I think they closed in the 90s, sometimes in the 90s. Because I remember it's a Lucerne County, Visit Lucerne County place, I guess, So yeah. So this is what it is now. It's a place to know about Lucerne County. This is it. Right there. Look at. They got magazines and stuff like that. But yeah, that's what it is. This is very historic. Used to be. And all of those that building over there with the roof over there, the gray building, that one was later on was remodeled and made and stuff like that, because it's been there for since I remember, but they remodeled it. That one over there also as well. That one that one right there as well. Because that's a bank right there. Okay, so look at that's the beer factory. It used to be the beer factory. You could tell You could tell they still have the letters over there. Stick Brewery Company, Barling House. That one, and then that one behind this one, and then that one behind this one, that one over there on top. Used to be and all the way over there, from there to here. So that used to be the beer factory. Then and everything got modernized later on. So it was not, they and also those buildings went out of business, and now they became part of the city now. All of these empty lots because of clearing up the trains. They're gone. So look, you could tell how old those buildings were. Look, let me see if I could zoom it in and show you a little bit of that building over there. Look at that, show you. You could tell how old they are. That used to be the factory right there. And this one they just remodeled not too long ago, about 3 years ago. But yes, this is the station right here. This one is the station right here. And that one used to be the beer factory, all the way to that one right there, all the way to that end right there. Used to be the beer factory. So that's what it is. And the train station right here. The train station all the way over here, and this used to be the oldest station. This building right here used to be the old station where people used to purchase their tickets to go. I think they used to go everywhere, all over the U.S. For what I know, they went to Scranton, they went to New York, New Jersey. All over the East Coast and most likely the West areas from where we are, Ohio, maybe Indiana, I don't know, and so on. So that was the end of my video. All right. Don't forget to subscribe, enjoy, share, give it likes if you like my videos. Hit the bell for notifications. Comments are for free, likes are for free. Let me know if I'm missing anything, or if you wanna add something, let me know as well. Okay. All right. Thank you very much. All right. Bye bye.